The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is now official as a direct successor to last year's Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, Cur, $375 on Amazon. As expected, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus heads up the Redmi Note 14 series alongside the Redmi Note 14 and Redmi Note 14 Pro. Like its siblings, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus also features a new chipset, albeit one that Qualcomm announced over a month ago. Specifically, Xiaomi has equipped the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, which it complements with LPDDR4X LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 2.2 UFS 3.0 flash storage. For reference, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 provides one ARM Cortex-A720 Prime core, 2.5 GHz, 3 Cortex-A720 Performance cores, 2.4 GHz, 4 Cortex-A520 Efficiency cores, 1.8 GHz, and an unnamed GPU. Moreover, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus contains a huge 6,200 mAh battery that supports 90 Wh wired charging. Furthermore, Xiaomi has included the same 1.5K curved OLED display found in the Redmi Note 14 Pro, which spans 6.67 inches across while outputting at 120 Hz with 1,200 nits HBM peak brightness. As expected, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is IP69 certified too, and features the following camera hardware. Currently, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus starts at 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage for CNY $1,099 $271. Xiaomi sells the device with 512GB of storage and 12GB or 16GB of RAM for CNY $99,299 and CNY $2,098, respectively. Although Xiaomi has not confirmed global availability yet, it is expected to bring the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus to other markets later this year.